Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Abram-Village is a small rural community in western Prince Edward Island, located in Prince County along Route 11, not far from the shores of the Northumberland Strait. About 300 people live in the community, with many more in the surrounding area. Although it is small, Abram-Village is well known for its strong Acadian heritage, vibrant cultural traditions, and close connection to farming and the fishing industry. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq, who traveled throughout Prince Edward Island for thousands of years. Acadian families began settling in this part of the island during the late 1700s after many Acadians returned to the maritime provinces following the Great Expulsion. Over time, Abram-Village developed into one of the island's most important Acadian communities, where the French language and Acadian customs continue to thrive today. Agriculture has always been an important part of life in Abram-Village. The fertile red soil supports potato farming, grain production, hay, and forage crops. Dairy and beef farms are also common throughout the surrounding countryside. Many farms remain family-owned, with knowledge and experience passed from one generation to the next while adopting modern equipment and technology to improve efficiency. The fishing industry also plays a major role in the local economy. Although Abram-Village itself is inland, several active fishing harbors are located just a short distance away. Many residents work in lobster fishing, oyster harvesting, seafood processing, transportation, and marine services. During the spring lobster season, the surrounding coastal communities become especially busy as boats head out daily to harvest one of Prince Edward Island's most valuable seafood products. Abram-Village is widely recognized for its Acadian culture. French is spoken by many residents, and Acadian traditions remain an important part of everyday life. Music, food, dance, and community celebrations help preserve a heritage that has been maintained for generations. The community is home to cultural organizations that promote the French language and Acadian history while welcoming visitors who want to learn more about the region's unique identity. One of the community's best-known landmarks is the village musical Acadian, a cultural center that celebrates Acadian music and performing arts. Throughout the year, concerts, festivals, and community events bring together local musicians and visitors from across Prince Edward Island and beyond. These events help preserve traditional Acadian culture while supporting tourism and the local economy. Housing in Abram-Village remains relatively affordable by Canadian standards. In recent years, the average price of a home has generally ranged between $300,000 and $400,000, depending on the property's size, age, condition, and amount of land. Homes located near the coast or on larger rural properties often command higher prices because of their location and scenic surroundings. Today, Abram-Village continues to preserve its Acadian identity while adapting to modern life. Farming, fishing, tourism, and local businesses remain central to the economy, while cultural events keep the community's history alive for future generations. Its combination of French Acadian heritage, productive farmland, and welcoming rural atmosphere makes Abram-Village one of the most distinctive communities on Prince Edward Island. watching!